Indulge in this exquisite recipe and make delicious bounty candies without sugar. You'll need dates, chocolate, and shredded coconut. Start by placing the shredded coconut in a blender and blend it to release the oil. Then add the dates and blend again until the mixture is smooth and sticky, as shown in the video. Form the mixture into balls using toothpicks for convenience. Freeze them for 10 minutes while melting the chocolate with a teaspoon of vegetable oil in the microwave. Dip the chilled balls into the chocolate and place them on parchment paper. Let them set at room temperature or chill in the fridge for 5 minutes. Your bounty candies are ready. Check the description for full details.